What's going on YouTube, traders, investors? Today is the week 8 update video, the $100 a week investing challenge on the Robinhood app. And today we're going to talk about a new position we got into, a position we got out of, and also we're no longer going to be trading crypto on the Robinhood app. We're going to start using COINBASE, and I'm going to make a series of videos to show you how to use it. So let's get into it. All right, before we get in the video, there's gonna be a link in the description below for Robinhood. If you use that link to sign up, you get a free stock, I get a free stock, it's all good, and you stand a chance to get a Berkshire Hathaway, Apple, Facebook, GE, Ford, and many more. And remember, everything is free, even options. Also, if you like the content that you're viewing, please subscribe, like, hit that bell. It'll help us grow. Thank you. All right, here we are on the web platform of the Robinhood app. But before we get into what positions we got into, what position we got out into, what option, we need to talk about crypto. We're no longer going to trade crypto on the Robinhood app. And the main reason is you don't own it on the Robinhood app. You don't have a digital wallet. You don't have anything where you can actually store that Bitcoin or whatever cryptocurrency you have and be able to use it to buy stuff. So we looked at that and we're like, nah, that's not good. So we've taken all the money out that we had crypto on Robinhood and moved it over to COINBASE. COINBASE gives you a wallet. Basically, it's a crypto exchange. And you have a wallet for every cryptocurrency that you invest in. And you can spend it wherever they take that type of crypto. So not saying anything bad about Robinhood, but I want to be able to use my crypto if I want it. I want my digital wallet. So we moved everything to COINBASE. We're going to do a series of videos about COINBASE, how to set it up, and everything you need to know. And also how to use COINBASE Pro and save you a lot of money when it comes to buying crypto. So look out for those videos, probably be next week. But let's get into our stocks. Okay. We're going to talk about what we got out of first. We got out of ticker symbol IIPR, Industrial and Innovative Properties, for the simple reason that they had Senate hearings on cannabis and dealing with the banks and how the cannabis growers and the cannabis sellers, they're going to be more lenient on giving them money to operate, which is where IIPR capitalized because they went out and bought these properties that the cannabis growers were going to use and they leased them at a higher rate. So I don't see IIPR pushing up anymore. I don't see it doing, things change, so we got out of IIPR. I didn't feel good. It dropped a lot and I didn't want to keep adding to that position. So we got out of IIPR and we got into sunrun, ticker symbol RUN. This is the one I've been in before. I actually did a closer look video. I'm going to put it somewhere in the video link. You'll see it pop up. But we got 10 shares at an average cost of $18.05. And as you can see, it's already up over 5%. So, and if I could tell you anything about sunrun, is this stock has been trending up over the past 2 years. I watched this stock and I almost got into it. I'm kicking myself that I didn't about 2 years ago. It was like a $5-6 stock. Now it's up over 19. It's hit up over 20. And I think it's heading north from here due to the regulations that California in particular has put into effect, that basically all new houses are going to have solar panels on top of them. And sunrun is the #1 market share. So this stock is going to go up because the rest of the United States is going to follow California, I believe. And you'll see in the near future, more and more houses are going to have solar panels on top because that's where we're trending. We're trending electric vehicles, solar panels, autonomous vehicles, marijuana. There's a few other trends that I'm going to make a video about in the future, talking about trends and how you should get in early to make that money. We also added 2 shares of TVIX And I got some news on TVIX, if this will load up. There we go. We have 12 shares now. Prior we had 10, so we added 2 more. We got an average cost of $16.05. I've been trying to average down in this because it's constantly going down if the market's doing good. So you got to keep adding to it and lowering that cost. But I was watching CNBC this morning, and they said there was a spike in the $20 VIX calls. And if you know anything about TVIX, it's based off the VIX futures. So people are buying VIX futures, the $20 call to be exact. So that means that something is in the works, or either they're just scared and they want to protect their investment. But this is a way to protect your portfolio, cover your losses basically with TVIX. If like something like a flash crash or all of a sudden the recession appears, you'll be covered. You'll be able to make that money and cover your losses. Basically insurance for your portfolio. Moving on, we'll go back. We got into 2 options. Discovery was one. We're down a little bit in it, but this one was called out by John Najarian, I believe, on CNBC. And John and Pete Najarian are like options experts. They're always getting into something. And they called this one out the other day. Went ahead and got in it. I looked at the chart. I see it is on kind of a dip, but it's been in a channel, an up channel. So I'm gonna ride this one out. It expires in October. They said they would be in it a little longer because I guess they knew it was gonna take time to make that money on the premium. But Discovery, we got 1 contract. We're down $6 right now, but it's looking up. I'll probably do a closer look video on Discovery. And also we got into a Vici option just because I did a closer look video on this yesterday. I'm going over the charts and I see it's on a dip, but I've seen that it's done that before. It's like a cycle. So I went ahead and got 1 contract of Vici with the 2250 strike, and it expires next month, the 16th of August, which puts me at exactly, I think it's going to be around 2250. So could be a little more, maybe a little less, but I see it going up. And that's pretty much gonna conclude this video. If you like the video, subscribe, like, hit that bell for future notifications, and I will see you in the future.